Hi, I'm Richard from the Stream team. Welcome to our quick educational series on how Index Universal Life Interest works. I'll make it simple and easy to follow. January is a perfect time to get clear on your financial goals. If you have an IUL policy, understanding how it grows while still protecting you can make a big difference. Let's break it down. So, who does an IUL fit best? Typically, people who've maxed out other retirement options, want some more diversification in their overall financial portfolio, and are comfortable with moderate risk. This is a great long-term protection tool that also allows for some potential gain along the way. Step 1. Your premium starts the process. Your payments fund your coverage and go into interest crediting strategies. These strategies track a market index like the S&P 500 to help your cash value grow. Don't worry, your money isn't directly invested in the stock market. Step 2. How is interest calculated? Each year, your chosen index strategies are measured over a set period of time. If the index goes up, your policy can earn interest. If the index goes down, your cash value is protected by a built-in floor, usually 0%, so your value won't drop. Step 3. Caps and participation rates. Two things affect how much interest you can earn: caps and participation rates. A cap is the maximum you can earn, while the participation rate decides what portion of the market gain you'll receive. For example, if the market rises 10% and your participation rate is at 80%, your policy would get credited 8%. If you have a market cap of 11% and the market goes up 14%, you would be capped at that 11%. Step 4. Locking in gains and compounding. Here's the best part. Once interest is credited, it's locked in. The index then resets over an annual basis, and the new cash value is your high water mark. Over time, this compounding helps your cash value grow while potentially covering any policy charges with the interest that you're earning. To conclude this video, as you set your financial goals this year, remember, an IUL policy offers potential market gains, protection from losses, tax advantage growth, and flexibility. Smart growth isn't about chasing the market, it's about consistent growth within protection. That's how Index Universal Life Policy works. Have any questions? Connect with us. We're happy to help every step of the way.